Alright, gearheads, you ever hop in your classic Chevy truck, stomp the brakes, and feel like you're pressing on a wet sponge? Yeah, we've all been there. Today we're fixing that. We're talking about CPP's Complete Power Brake Booster Kit, built specifically for your 60 to 62 Chevy trucks. This setup gives you modern stopping power without hacking up that vintage firewall. Let's be real, those old manual drums were fine back when the speed limit was 55 and the heaviest thing you hauled was a lawnmower. But today, with traffic, freeways, and LS swaps everywhere, you need brakes that don't make you sweat every red light. That's where this CPP kit steps in. Here's what you get in the CPP Complete Power Brake Booster Kit. A 8-inch gold-plated booster that looks killer under the hood, a dual 1-inch master cylinder which vastly increases safety, mounting brackets for your 1960 to 62 Chevy firewall, pushrod, hardware, bleeder kit, the works. It's a full bolt-on setup designed for trucks running automatic transmissions and 4-wheel drum brakes. No guessing, no mismatched parts, it's engineered to fit right. The big win here is pedal feel. The vacuum booster gives you that light, modern brake pressure, so you're not leg pressing 200 pounds just to stop at a light. You'll notice a firmer, more responsive pedal, better modulation, and when you're hauling, cruising, or showing off, you'll have peace of mind knowing your truck can actually stop as good as it looks. Plus, that gold-plated booster adds a clean, pro-built look to your engine bay. A little flash never hurt anybody. Install's pretty straightforward. You'll yank the old master and linkage, clean up your firewall, and bolt up the new bracket and booster. Hook up your pedal rod, plumb your lines, and bleed the system using the included bleeder kit. One tip, double-check your vacuum source. A weak vacuum from your engine will make the booster lazy. You want a solid 18 inches or better. Also, make sure your pedal free play is right. Too long and you'll have lag, too short and you'll ride the brakes. CPP includes all the hardware and instructions, so if you can turn a wrench, you can do this install. Once you get it bled and buttoned up, man, what a difference. The first time you tap the brakes, you'll feel it. Smooth engagement, solid bite, no fade. It's a total game changer for drivability. It's the kind of upgrade that makes you wonder why you didn't do it sooner. If you're rocking a 1960, 61, or 62 Chevy pickup with an automatic and 4-wheel drums, this kit is tailor-made for you. Whether it's a shop truck, show truck, or daily driver, this setup keeps your classic safe and fun to drive. So if your truck's got go but no whoa, this is the fix. The CPP Power Brake Booster Kit is simple, clean, and flat-out works. Hit the link below to grab yours, and remember, keep it classic, keep it safe, and, as always, keep it CPP equipped. Thanks for watching. If you're ready to upgrade your classic car or truck with performance you can trust, just click the link in the description or head over to classicperform.com and check out our full line of suspension, steering, and brake solutions. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap that bell so you never miss a build breakdown, install guide, or performance tip.